From Diddy to a ban on TikTok, there is so much legal news trending this week. So to help us make sense of it all, please welcome the host of Equal Justice, Judge Ebony K. Williams. Girl, you back out here in these streets, Ebony.
Mama's outside, Sherri.
Mama is outside, and congratulations on the baby. Congratulations to you. But you're gonna come back on the show and talk about this.
Yeah.
But you know, with the new documentary out yesterday, and then there's another premiering next week, Diddy is trending again, Ebony. So, like, what is the latest on his case?
Diddy is everywhere, y'all. And get ready and buckle in, because it's gonna be this way till we get to this May start date of this trial, okay? May 5th, 2025. Now, where we are right now, Sherri, is he has been denied bail for a fourth, and we want to say final time.
All right.
I say want to say because as aggressive as Diddy's defense team has been thus far, I would not be totally shocked if we see one more attempt to get him released on bail, and I expect it to again be denied, as all the others have been denied. Now, this is important. He's not being denied bail, Sherri, because they're concerned about him being a flight risk. So we keep hearing, you know, he's offering up a $50 million house in Florida. He's offering up literally his mama's passport. This is not about them being afraid he's going to run. This is about them being afraid, Sherri, that he is going to get to and tamper witnesses that are essential, to this case. That is the concern, that he, as long as he is possibly outside, he remains a perpetual threat to the safety of others. That's the concern.
That's what it is.
That's what it is.
Denied.
Yes.
Well, not only these two documentaries, you know, 50 Cent, he was doing a documentary. You know, he was producing a documentary on Diddy for Netflix. So with all of these documentaries, Ebony, do you think that this could, like, influence the case?
Yeah, the reality is, I actually, as a lawyer, I don't like to see that type of influence, frankly, right? If the system is to work, Sherri, if it's to work, it's got to be as fair and impartial as possible.
Right.
So despite what we may think or not think about this individual defendant, put that on the side. We want every defendant to have a fair case, right? Right. So here's the thing. With all these documentaries coming out pre-trial, if this was an ordinary case, we would see a defense lawyer try to have a change of venue, right? Let's move this to a place where we can maybe get a more fair, a more impartial jury who hadn't heard and seen all this stuff.
Exactly.
But when the client is Sean Puffy Combs, my goodness, there's no place you can go that everybody has been watching for 30 years. We've been Diddy bopping for 30 years. So this is really not eligible for that change of venue, right? So this is just going to be something that the judge and the prosecutors have to manage, and the
they
defense
haven't even
lawyer.
picked a jury or anything yet.
Right. So. And can you imagine what we call voir dire, jury selection? Have you ever heard of a Puff song? Who's going to raise their hand? Everybody.
Everybody.
Because it's all colors, all genders, and all ages.
Okay, so another case that we're following is the Supreme Court. They're gonna ban TikTok. Now, if they ban TikTok, is the app just gonna disappear from my phone?
It's gonna go poof, shit. No, I'm just playing. It's not gonna.
I was like, oh my God.
Put the phone down, Sherri. No. It's not gonna go poof, y'all, but this is what's effectively gonna happen. Unless there is a U.S. buyer that comes today, because we're expecting the Supreme Court to rule on this today, TikTok as we know it will be gone. It will not disappear from your phone, but when you know how you have to update an app all the time to keep it active, it won't be available for update. And no one new can download it after the Supreme Court makes this decision this week. So therefore, TikTok, as y'all know, it will be kaput. But don't fret if you're a TikTok fan. Because there's a workaround that probably will be at play, and that is we have a new political administration coming in. They have indicated they are less hostile to the political issue at bay here, so we could see possibly a new owner and a new iteration of TikTok in the future. But the TikTok that we know and many love now, that's going to be a wrap.
Okay, because I didn't order the back massager that I'm waiting for that I got on TikTok. Ebony, I just want to say thank you for being here. We need you to come back. Equal Justice with Judge Ebony K. Williams airs daily. Please check your local listings for times, and we'll be right back. Ebony K. Williams.